So I want to know why my Skyzone 04X's beeped at us. What the heck, man? And then it went black. It went black. Okay. Oh my God, those just came back on. Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. Today we're gonna go flying. We're gonna fly the long range quad and we're gonna go, hopefully, up the river, way up there, a couple of miles. We're using the long range high gain antenna setup and we're gonna see how this works out. And we're using the HD0 Sharkbyte FPV feed and see how that looks at about 2 miles. And we're about ready to go here. We got the 8-inch quad. And I also got me a new pair of goggles. Check that out. New pair of goggles too. So let's go flying. See what it looks like. And I'm at 500. Okay. Okay, we got the power up. We still got juice.
Okay, so now we're ready to arm the motors. Okay.
Here are motors.
Verify home distance, arrow, and sats.
So 0 is a little house. We got 12 sats. We got 20.6 volts. And I gotta fly and not hit trees. Go out and turn around and look and come back.
Okay, so take off.
Okay, here we go. You can put your checklist. 2200, 2400.
Oh, you're clear.
I'm clear. I should be out straight up front now.
Yep, you are. Just put this away.
Whoa, be careful, Jim. You can just put it in your pocket if you want. Where are we? This hill to the right of it. Okay, we gotta watch our speed, our amps, and stay above these trees, don't we?
Yep.
Altitude.
You're way up there now. Let's see.
Am I? I'm up 50 feet.
50 feet above us. Yeah.
26 miles. 30 miles an hour. Okay, let's fly to the river. You should be aimed at A1.
We're at A1. That's exactly where we are.
I'm gonna start going down to the river. I'm gonna aim for that river spot. I'm even with R.
Now you're coming down, you're minus 50 there.
Okay, we're minus 60 feet. $34 miles an hour. It's because we're going downhill. 300 amps used so far.
Coming over the house with the
We're
red
going over
roof.
the red house, aren't
Right, red roof house there.
we? Remember that coming home. Back on the throttle off. Okay, this is a ditch spot if I ever have to in this field. Gosh, slow it down, Mike. Okay.
28 miles an hour.
Very good. We don't want to get too close to this side of the river. We'll lose sight. We got to wait till we get to the other side here. Great. You should be at A1.
We're at A1.
Yay, Mr. Jim. We're at the river. We're 1 mile away.
1 mile away, we got good signal.
400 amps. Let's do a quick pirouette. Look at the home point from 1 mile. I see the trees, I think.
I think I do too.
Right in the middle. $14 miles an hour. 1 mile. 400, 500. Watch for fishermen. We should have a good 500. I'm doing 22 miles an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Get out, Bubba.
Good signal strength.
Lots of bars. Big tree here. Look at that. That's new and improved since the last time we were here. Gotta remember that coming back.
Yeah, don't get
Then we
over
crossed over here and looked at these piles over here.
Yeah.
One of the 3rd mile tree. I'm trying to keep my speed. Whoa. Some trees blocking us somewhere. Wonder what trees are doing that. A bush. Looks different. There was all water out here last time on our left. That house new over there. Oh my God, a greenhouse. I remember that. I'm gonna turn. See that house right there?
I see it.
I don't remember that being there last time, but whatever. These are the 1.6 mile piles.
Yep.
The infamous 1.6 mile piles. What is that?
I don't know.
My goggles are beeping.
Is that what that is?
My goggles are beeping. I lost my goggle power.
Oh no.
I'm hitting return to home.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my goggles just came back on. Taking it out of return to home. That's a goggle beep.
Okay. What caused that?
I don't know, but we're gonna come home, Jerome. Well, my goggles went out. I wonder if it's a battery thing on my goggles or something.
I don't know.
I remember reading about the goggles will beep at you if they had bad voltage. Well, I see our home point. We're not going to risk this, you know? We'll come home. There's our barn and our other barn. We're going to fly.
Yeah, there's the red roof.
So I want to know why my Skyzone 04X's beeped at us. What the heck, man? And then it went black. It went black. I stayed calm. I hit GPS rescue. It went up. It turned around. It came back, and then the picture came back. Hi everybody, Mike here from the future. When I got home, I took a look at the manual. It turns out that during the flight, sleep mode kicked in. There's a screensaver type function that after a few minutes, it turns off the screen. And then when you move your head, it turns it back on. And that's exactly what happened to me. So I have since disabled sleep mode. Oh well, it's always an adventure flying. Thanks for watching.